So on this test, it's been about almost 20 hours, and we are about to inspect the curves on these models. So let me open this. I don't see any tear and wear on this ABS like resin. ABS. It's ABS like, and let me tell you, it was kind of flexible when I put it through the axle, through the rod. So there is no problem with that one. That looks perfect for almost 20 hours. Now the turn for this cog inside this driving unit. On this model, I see no tear and wear. It looks okay. That's a previous. That's not even for that. I thought was a chunk that it's no. It's not even off. It's part of the. No, that's not part of that. That is a residue that you can see here. Yeah, that was not part of the cog. So I'm trying to share with you the real results. Yeah, the rest, yeah, everything is okay. Everything feels fine. I will say it's good. It's okay. I need to let it run for a whole week or 5 days. I don't know if the battery will last, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the garage and let it run and check in a few days. But so far so good. These resin 3D printed codes are working fantastic. Link in the description for the resin. I think it's called a Chills Tow ABS like resin.